Guys, if you're still making presentations and pitch decks yourself, you're falling behind. And that's because clever side hustlers and entrepreneurs are using the latest AI tools to do this work for them. And it's how people are closing more clients, landing more deals, and ultimately making more money in a fraction of the time. And that's why in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make stunning pitch decks and presentations in minutes by using AI that actually get results. It doesn't matter if you're a business owner, side hustler, freelancer, or even a student. If you want to take your presentations to the next level, this is the video for you. Let's get to it. And so guys, there are a lot of tools out there that let you make different pitch decks or presentations. Back in the day, we all used PowerPoint. I'm sure you're familiar with Microsoft PowerPoint. And honestly, that's how I got through a ton of high school and college. But these days, people are ditching Microsoft PowerPoint and they're using AI tools instead to do all of the heavy lifting for them. And one of my absolute favorite tools, and the one I'm sharing today, is called Venngage. Now, Venngage is an AI-powered design platform that lets you create so many kinds of assets, including infographics, brochures, posters, social media graphics, reports, resumes, and more. Now, I've covered Venngage a couple of times on this channel, including in a video on how to actually pitch clients and land better brand deals, and another video on how to effectively scale your side hustles. But today, I want to highlight how Venngage creates next-level pitch decks and presentations, because I honestly think this is one of its most powerful and potentially lucrative features. And so with that out of the way, let me hop into my Venngage account and I'll show you guys how to build some stunning pitch decks just by using basic prompting. So guys, to get started, you can create an account over at Venngage with your email, and signing up takes like 30 seconds. Now, once you're logged in, you can actually get started by heading over to Venngage's free AI pitch deck generation tool. And guys, from here, you can genuinely start creating your next pitch deck just with basic prompting. For example, let's say I'm trying to raise money to start a mobile coffee cart business. I want to create a simple pitch deck I can show to potential investors that explains what my business is about, what my goals are, and what my investors might gain from this kind of venture. Now again, this is just one niche example. You can probably think of one for your own life or your own business, but guys, it is so simple, and here's the exact prompt I gave to Venngage. So I said, create a pitch deck about raising funds for a new mobile coffee cart company, Deluxe Coffee Works. We're looking to raise $25,000 to purchase our first cart, equipment, and supplies. As you can see, Venngage gets right to work and it begins building my pitch deck in its AI design platform. Now, it takes a couple of minutes to kind of organize everything and think about what it's doing, but then Venngage honestly puts out some pretty stellar content right out of the box. As you can see, right out of the gate, I get a pretty comprehensive styled pitch deck that outlines what the venture is all about, some rough financial projections, some industry projections, and the team behind this new venture. And this is honestly a pretty nice starting point. And again, this would save so much time versus doing it yourself, and so much money versus hiring a graphic designer to build this for you. And I did this in literally like 2 minutes with some basic prompting. And from there, Vengage's AI designer makes it super simple for you to tweak the style or the fonts and the overall layout and design of this pitch deck to match your vision. For starters, the editor is super easy to use. You can quickly edit text, drag elements around, and resize whatever you want. And what's cool is that Venngage also lets you rewrite copy using its AI writing assistant, so you can tweak sections to have different tones or to convey a certain message if you want something changed. One section I also really like is Vengage's AI tools section. Here, it's super easy for you to restyle aspects of your pitch deck or to create new assets entirely that you want to add in. For example, I can quickly create new images or icons to add to my pitch deck just with simple text prompts. And this is a nice way to embellish things a little bit or to make certain sections of the pitch deck stand out more. And if you want any larger changes, you can also ask Vengage's AI designer to make those changes, again, just by using basic prompts. And one other useful feature is Vengage's brand kit section. This section basically lets you update things like fonts and color themes across your whole pitch deck. So again, you can make changes and have your pitch deck look consistent across all of your slides. But anyways, guys, I spent about 10 to 15 minutes playing around with this new mobile coffee cart pitch deck just as an example for this video, and let me show you guys how it turned out. I'll scroll through here and you can see it actually looks pretty polished, it looks decent, there's some nice graphics, the fonts and colors are all on point. And again, this just took some basic prompting and a little bit of editing from my side. And guys, once again, this is why I love AI tools, because again, if you paid someone to do this for you, like a freelance designer, it would cost hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. If you did it yourself, just with your own design tools, it would probably take you a few days. This is why I love AI. Now, once you're happy with your pitch deck, it is super easy to download it and share it with the people you want to share it with. Venngage lets you share documents with a private link via email or even with a QR code. You can also download the form or embed it on your website very easily. Alternatively, you can even publish it to the web and then share a link for people to view it. One thing that's also cool is that Venngage has an accessibility tool. And this tool basically scans your pitch deck and makes sure it's easy to read and that none of your fonts are too small or in colors that are difficult to read. which again is super important if you're going to be pitching people and you're trying to raise money or you want to land clients for your business. Now, anyways, guys, like I said, this is just one example of a pitch deck you can create in a couple of minutes with Venngage. Again, it's a niche example of a mobile coffee cart business, but you can probably think of a use case for your own business, life, whatever you have going on. But I also want to stress that this is just one kind of asset you can build with Venngage, and it has so many other features and tools that you can take advantage of. For example, Venngage also has an excellent presentation generator. It works the exact same, so you can build pretty comprehensive presentations just with simple prompting and then tweak the designs very easily. And I think this is pretty useful because sometimes you want to send something a little bit more comprehensive than a pitch deck, or maybe you're a college student or a high school student and you're building a lot of presentations for your classes. You can use something like Venngage to do a ton of the work for you. And again, Venngage has so many other templates and AI generated designs that you can start taking advantage of. I mean, it can make business proposals, infographics, social media graphics, flyers, menus, flowcharts, white papers, even legal contracts. Again, if you can dream it up, you can probably build it with Venngage. And if you're doing any of this kind of work for your day job or your side hustle or for a business you're starting, I definitely recommend checking out Venngage. But anyways, guys, now you know how to create ready to showcase pitch decks using Venngage and AI, but I kind of want to wrap up this video just by covering some of the best use cases of Venngage and really who should be using AI tools like this. And really, like I mentioned a few times, I think the first use case is that anyone who is making presentations or pitch decks or reports for their day job or on a weekly basis should be using a tool like Venngage. You will save so much time and so many headaches. Now, the second use case, and this is one I'm personally doing, would be freelancers who are also pitching clients regularly or sending out brand proposals or trying to get business by pitching people. Again, use Venngage, you will save so much time and your presentations and pitches will also look a lot more professional. Now, third would be anyone looking to actually raise money for a new business venture, anyone looking for investors. Again, this is where pitch decks are super common, so you want to be building them the right way. And then the fourth use case, like I mentioned, would be anyone who's a student who has to make a lot of presentations all of the time. I remember being in college, I hated making PowerPoints, I hated making presentations. They took forever. You can now use AI. Definitely work smarter, not just harder. Now, what's also nice about Venngage is it has a free plan, so you can sign up and you can play around a little bit with it just to kind of get a feel for the platform. Now, this free plan lets you create 5 designs and shows you some of the power this AI platform has. You can also upgrade to the premium plan for only $19 per month, which gets unlimited designs and way more functionality. And then there's the business plan for $49 per month to unlock even more Venngage AI tools. And guys, honestly, paying for a tool like this is a no-brainer because if it helps save you hours per week or if it helps land an additional client per month, you are going to profit so much more by using AI in this way than the small monthly subscription cost. I've started using Venngage for my own online businesses. I'm absolutely loving how much time it saves me, so I'm happy to recommend them as well, and really think you guys will like them if you give them a try. I'll also be linking Venngage down below in the description box and pinned comment for you guys to check out. Plus, you can use the code TomBlake50 to get 50% off an annual plan with Venngage while also helping to support the channel. But anyways, guys, if you want to leverage AI to create stunning pitch decks and presentations that actually help land you new business, I hope this Venngage tutorial has been helpful. Honestly, I've been playing around with AI tools so much over the last few months, and I love how easy they're making it to launch businesses or scale your side hustles while keeping costs down and helping you save time. Again, you don't need a massive budget anymore, you don't need a graphic design team or to even be a graphic designer yourself. You can do so much more now thanks to AI tools like Venngage, which is why I love covering them on this channel. Like I said, I'll be linking Venngage down below if you want to check them out while also helping to support the channel. And yeah, you can let me know what you think. Are you going to be using Venngage? What do you think about this kind of AI tools? You can let me know down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day and week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.